Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a first move walk around with a man turn, or as it's sometimes called, a first move man turn walk around. Need to know how to do a first move walk around, and it's probably a really good idea if you've also done a first move step across, because that's going to kind of give you the technique for making everything else happen. Links to those in the description below, so if you need to catch up on any part of that bit, you can go back and have a look at the earlier stuff. But for those of you who are ready, it goes like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. So let's break it down. It starts off like a standard first move walk around. So we go back, we come in, picking up the shoulder blade, we start the walk around. Once you've done however many counts of walk around you want to do, I'm only going to do one, you then lift the arm as if you were going to turn it into a first move step across. But what happens is we let the lady carry on walking, we leave 2 fingers, just the fingertips of 2 fingers into the lady's palm or fingers, and we actually go underneath the hand and turn left, and we're going to go around for 1 and 2 and 3. Now how far you walk in that time is going to affect which way you come out of it. We're going to obviously try and direct ourselves so that you get a decent view, but the end result of this is we pull the hand down like we would for a step across, and we're actually going to probably generate sufficient energy away that we'll want to do a travelling return rather than a return. So if you get that feeling of stretch, that you're there thinking, oh, we want to come in, you do a travelling return. If that doesn't happen, you can just do a return on the spot. It's going to be fine. So let's think numbers. It goes back 1. The way we're going to do it today, we're going to come in 2, we're going to walk for 3, we're going to go under the hand 4, we're going to turn 5, 6, 7, we're going to do down and face 8, travelling return 1, and back 2. Let's see how we do together. 5, 6, first move walk around, man turn, back, in, walk, underneath, turn, 2, 3, face, return, and back, and that's it. Easy as that. Another thing that's really useful out on the dance floor to add a bit of variety to what you're doing, and it's going to work well with people you've never danced with before. Okay, do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel, so big thank you to everyone who does that, and the notification bell means you'll get told every time a new video comes out so you never miss anything. Last few seconds of the video, some windows come up. One of those is a music video, and it is for a tune that will be good for dancing this move too. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.